Hello guys, good morning. Welcome to our live trading session for today. As usual, we're going to be analyzing the markets and I'll be giving out free signals. Okay, so if this is your first time of joining this live stream, you're welcome on board. So what we do here is I analyze uh, the live market and give out signal when I get a good entry. All right. All right. So I was saying earlier, if this is your first time of joining the live stream, uh, make sure you have balance in your real account. Okay. This session is not for demo trading. So if you want to demo trade, demo is for learning. All right. So it's for practicing. So you can learn how to trade with your demo account later after this session. All right. But for this session, we trade on the real account. Okay. So, guys, go fund your account. If you don't have enough balance in your account, go and make a deposit. All right. And if you deposit on my live stream, you'll be eligible to join my premium group. All right. So I have a premium group where I give signals, I give market report and market analysis. All right. So to become a participant in my premium group, all you have to do is just make a deposit on this live stream. And to do that, click on that banner where deposit with benefits is written on. Now, if you click on the banner, it will take you to the deposit page, right? And when you get to the deposit page, if you deposit $10 will get you into my premium group for 2 weeks. If you deposit up to $15 will get you into my premium group for 1 month. And if you deposit up to $200 will get you into my premium group for 1 month. And then you also get a live trading session with me, okay, private session with me. All right. And guys, take note, the money you are funding on my live stream is going into your trading account. All right. If you click on that banner, it will take you to the normal page, the normal deposit page. All right. But I need you to click on the banner if you want to become a premium member. That is the only way you can be tracked that you are interested in becoming a premium member, and then you'll be contacted and added to the premium group. Right. So let's go to the chat. Let's see what's going on with the forex market for Tuesday morning. Right. So I'm currently on GBP USD, the Great British Pounds against the United States dollar. Right. And we are currently on the 2-hour time frame. All right. So as you can see here right now, you see I have this previous analysis where the market has broke below a level, right? So this is a level that the market has broke below before, right? Yes, this area, the market broke below this level. You see, it made a retest, and then the market went far down. Okay, it went as far as this price point, right? And just a few days ago, the market started making what we call the higher time frame retest. Okay, so this This that was created previously, this is a lower time frame retest. Okay, this is a lower time frame retest, and the market needed to make a higher time frame retest if it's going to go down further, right? And that is exactly what is currently happening right now. All right. So as you can see, the market is currently back to the zone it had broke before. Okay, so it's currently back to the zone. And let's go to the 4 hour time frame so we can see a clear picture of what is really going on. So on the 4 hour time frame, you can see the market. See on the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame. All right. So on the 4 hour time frame, you can see the market is showing a clearer picture of what is currently going on. So this is the higher time frame retest. Okay, this is how a higher time frame is supposed to retest. Right, their retest is usually long on the lower time frame. Okay, because it takes exactly 4 hours for a whole candle, or just one candle, to finish printing here. Okay, so every candle here takes 4 hours to finish printing. All right, so um, imagine how many candle is going to be printed on the 15 minutes time frame to make 4 hour candle, right? So I hope you understand now. So this whole candle you are seeing here took days. Okay, took days to finish printing. So from here, you see this is 24th of April, and today is 30th. Yet, yeah. So yeah, it took days for this to move from here to this point, okay, to this current point. So now we know we previously had a break of structure to the downside here. All right, we had a break of structure to the downside. So what we're expecting the market to do right now is, um, for me, this is a retest. Okay, this is a retest. So I expect the market to break below this level and continue to trend to the downside. Okay, so I'm expecting the market to continue to go down, right? But before that, the market needs to make a proper retest, okay, a proper pullback, right? So the point now is to look for area or level where we think the market can make a proper pullback, right? And this zone, this current zone, is a good example of one. So we have our analysis already. There's no need to make any fresh or further analysis. Uh, so there's no point getting the chart rough just because you're making analysis. So analysis is supposed to be, this simple. We just need to know where the market is heading to, the direction the market is heading to, and then you can get, a good analysis. So, so okay. All right. So we're back to the 2 hour time frame, and on the 2 hour time frame, you can see. Let's go to 1 hour. All right. So we are currently on the 1 hour time frame, and I need the market to go below this level. Okay, I want the market to go below this low, right? So if the market, does go below the low, then we have this will be our change of character. Okay. So after the change of character here, we'll then be expecting the market to make a retracement back, to a fair value gap or another block before trading to the downside, right? But you know, we are just analysts. Okay, we are not market makers. So another possibility is the market can go above this level and close above this upper line. Okay, this upper horizontal line. All right. And if that happens, if that's the case, then we'll start looking for buy opportunities instead of sell opportunity. All right. Okay, so we don't have any current or immediate entry on GBP USD. All right, so let's go to AUD CAD. Let's go to AUD CAD. Let's see if there's an entry for us on AUD CAD. Okay. Okay, so with the look of things on AUDCAD, sorry, I mistakenly clicked on AUDJPY. Okay, so with the look of things on AUDCAD, this is the level where the market is currently rejecting from. Okay, so the market is currently rejecting this level, but we have a fair value gap and a trend line just right above the level. Okay, so we have a fair value gap here, and we've got right. Okay, so uh, you see the movement of the market is going to be very tight here, and that is why I'm not going to open position on areas like this. Okay, see the movement is going to be very tight. Okay, so unless you're going to be scalping this from the lower time frame, and on the lower time frame, as you can see, on the 15 minutes time frame, the market has moved way past our entry point. Okay, the market has gone above the zone where uh, you know where our entry point would have been. Okay, so we can't take an entry from here. Okay, that is not possible. So the market is currently close to this other block, this fair value gap rather. All right. So we missed the opportunity here. All right. Let's go to AUD JPY. AUD JPY. So this market made uh, this heavy move yesterday. Okay. Okay. So on AUDJPY, this is the opportunity we have. But the market has been consolidating around the zone for quite a while now. I think this has been going on since yesterday, and the market is still refusing to go above or below this level. Okay, so with the look of things here, this I think we should have a box in here, see where the market is going to break out from. Okay, and whichever direction the market breaks out from, that direction is going to be our point of interest, right? All right. So we've moved down to AUD NZD, and on AUD NZD 2 hour time frame, the market is still trying to move past this level. Okay, so the market had previously come down to this level yesterday, retesting the 50% of this fair value gap. All right. So I think this is a 1 hour fair value gap. No, it's not a 1 hour fair value gap. Okay, I think it's a 4 hour. Yes, it's a 4 hour fair value gap. You see, so it's a 4 hour fair value gap, and the market came back to the level to retest the level. So after the retest here, um, the thought was for the market to continue to trade bullish. But instead, you see what the market is currently doing right now. Instead, um the market is currently, still dragging around this price point, right? So my guess here is I think the market want to push down to this level. Okay, I think the market want to push down to this level, and then so because whenever the market is consolidating around the zone this way, it is advisable, you wait for the market, you wait for the consolidation phase to clear, and then before you look for opportunity. All right. Before you look for opportunity, you wait for the consolidation to end. Okay. So consolidations are the trap zones, right? These are what the ICT considers as the trap zone. So they are trap zone because they are levels where the market hasn't made a decision yet. But you as a trader or a beginner rather, you want to take an entry immediately, right? You don't have the patience. You don't want to wait for the market to make a decision. You just want to jump into the market and start making money, all right? So the trap zone is for you if you don't have patience. When the market is consolidating and you are not waiting for the market to finish its consolidation phase, the market is going to use you as liquidity, all right? The market will use your fund as liquidity. So it's best if you just wait for the market to end its consolidation, before jumping into the market. So right now, and that is exactly what's going on here on AUD NZD. Okay, let's go back to the 2 hour time frame. You see, this is a consolidation phase. Okay, no matter how small it is, this is the 2 hour time frame. Let's go to a time frame where we can see, where we can get a clearer picture of the consolidation. So you see, the market has been consolidating from this level. The market has refused to go. We have a high here, we have a low here. Okay, the market has refused to go above this high and has also refused to go below this low. All right, so this is a consolidation phase. Now, for me, with my level of experience, I believe the market is going to come down to this level. All right, because this low right here is a trap zone, as I've said earlier. Okay, the low is a trap zone, and how it's going to trap traders is this. You see, a lot of people are going to buy from here with the hope that they have a point of interest where the market had reversed from a fair value gap on 4 hour time frame, right? And then they will want to buy from here. Their stop loss will just be below this low. Okay, their stop loss can be here, and their take profit will be around this level. Now, this is what's going to happen. Okay, so for retailers that takes a buy trade from here, the stop loss is going to get taken out. Okay, so the market is going to use them. It's going to induce them. Okay, the market is going to induce them and use them as liquidity. Come down to this level, make a retest back. Okay, behave like as if you want to start going up, and then come back into this level to retest this level properly before moving to the up direction. Yes. So this is what I think is going to happen in the market. Okay, this is what I think is going to happen in the market. So you see, forex trading requires a lot of patience, right? So it's not something you just wake up one day and decide, yeah, I want to analyze the market and risk my money. I'm telling you, um, if you have such thought, please drop it, right? So as a beginner, what I would advise you do is come join my premium group. Okay. So as you learn, you also earn, right? So you are in the learning phase right now. You are learning how to trade the forex market, and it's good to get the experience. Okay. So if you fund up to $200, you have the chance to have a session with me. Okay, a session where I'll be able to break down the forex market to your level. Okay, I'll be able to break it down to your level. A beginner, an intermediary, or you already have the experience, but you want to scale it up. Yes, but if you want to do this on your own, trust me, it doesn't end well. Okay, it doesn't end well. So you definitely need an experienced trader to guide you. Um, Even if you don't have $200 right now to have the session, you can still join the premium group to get signals. All right. So this session is, also very educating. Um, I'm making analysis here, right? So I'm making a live analysis, and this is what is currently going on in the market. Okay, this is live. This is not a pre-recorded video. Okay, so it's a live video, and I'm currently analyzing the live market. So what I'm doing here right now is something that you can also replicate on your chart. Just try doing what I'm doing. All the steps I'm taking because I'm explaining the analysis as I'm making them. Okay. So what I'm doing here is educating and very informative. Trust me, if you can follow what I'm doing, you'll get the scope. Okay. So I know you won't get it all. Trust me, you won't get it all. And once you start making, good amount of money, you can have the session with me. All right. So you can even start with maybe let's say $15 for a month to see how it works. All right. Just to have a feel of how it works, and then come here every morning, Mondays to Fridays, to learn how to make analysis. All right, so this is the analysis for AUD NZD. Okay. As I've said, the market is currently on a consolidation phase. Okay, consolidation, ranging, whichever one you want to call it, is the same thing. Okay, so the market is ranging. Let me use this. Okay. So I want to mark out the area where the market is currently ranging on. I want to mark out the whole area. Yes. So we have the zone. We just need the market to break out of this zone, right? So if the market breaks above, we continue to buy. If it breaks below, we allow the market to get into our point of interest here, right? So whichever one happens, uh, all right. So I think we've spent enough time on AUD and ZD. Let's go further. Let's continue. Okay, so we are currently on AUD USD. AUD USD. So I made this analysis yesterday, and the market has been moving to the direction where I predicted it to since yesterday. This is AUD USD. You see, so the market went into the 50% of the level. So we had the 50% here, and you see the market has been ranging. The market has been trading bearish. Okay, the market has been moving bearish ever since it got to the 50% of the fair value gap, right? Okay, so let's go down to the lower time frame. Let's start with the 30 minutes time frame. So on the 30 minutes time frame, okay, I think I have, all right. So on 15 minutes time frame, we have a liquidity pool here. We have change of character. Right. Okay, so let me use my Fibonacci tool to see if my point of interest is accurate. Right. So the Fibonacci tool is indicating that the market is going to move from the other block instead of the fair value gap, but my entry is going to be at the fair value gap. Okay, my entry is going to be from the fair value gap, which is the 50% of the fair value gap. And the reason for this is the fair value gap is much closer. Right, so the fair value gap is much more closer than the other block. Okay, so I'm just going to wait for the market to come back into this zone and see if we're going to get a rejection from there. And if we do get a rejection, we're going to open a sell position, right? So we have analysis on, I think we have analysis on AUDCAD. Okay, no, we don't. The market had already moved past our entry point, but I think we have one on AUDJPY. Yes, we do have on AUDJPY, right? And then we have on, okay, we also have on AUDNZ, and now we have on AUDUSD, right? So for AUDUSD, I want the market to come to this zone, and when I get a rejection candle indicating a bearish trend, then I open a sell position, right? Okay, so let's continue. All right, so we are currently on Euro AUD. Euro AUD. Okay. So we also have change of character, a liquidity purge, and the change of character here on the 1 hour time frame of Euro AUD. So let's see how this has done in the past. Okay. All right. So the rejection we had here earlier. Okay. Um, this fair value gap actually pushed this market downwards, but the market didn't, touch the 50%. Okay, so it just kissed the edge of the resistance line and then started, making bearish moves. So now the market is currently at the 50% of the fair value gap, and I hope to see a proper reversal here very soon, right? So we are gonna wait patiently for this market. Okay, so we have 5 minutes thereabout to the end of this current candle. So at the end of the candle, we would know if this is a good entry opportunity. And let's see how the candle closes, and if it closes with a wick above and a very small body below, then we open a sell position from this sell point. Yeah, so our stop loss is going to be this low. Yes, and our take profit is going to be just right here. Okay, so 3 minutes and a few more seconds to the end of this current candle. So at the end of the candle, if we get a good sell indication, uh, we are going to open the sell position. Yes. All right, less than 2 minutes to the end of this current candle. Let's go down to the 5 minutes time frame. Okay. Yes. Nice rejection. So we have, okay. So we have a two rejection already, and the third one is already playing out with rejection. It's already forming the rejection candle. So hopefully it stays this way till the end, and then we get to open our sell position. So guys, go to Euro AUD. Right, let's stay on the Euro AUD chart. Euro AUD. Okay, guys, let's sell Euro AUD. Okay, so we have three rejection. This is one, two, three. All right. So this is a good sell indicator. Let's sell Euro AUD. So we're gonna be scalping this market. TP and stop loss is not necessary, right? Since we are gonna be watching the market together, right? Right, we are currently selling Euro AUD, right? And the market has started printing bearish candle. So this is our take profit level, and this is our stop loss level, right? So if this market closes above this previous rejected candle, we are going to close the trade, right? And I'm currently still on the 5 minutes time frame. Okay, so a few more seconds to the end of this current candle. And as I've said earlier, if by the end of the candle the market is closing above this level, we are closing the trade. Okay. Okay, so the candle ended and it gave us a doji, right? So you see the body is in the middle, very small body, with a wick below and a wick above, right? So that's a doji, and dojis signifies market continuation, right? So let's give this next candle a chance. Uh, all right, so less than 3 minutes to the end of the current candle. If the candle closes above our previous rejected candles, we are closing the trade. But hopefully, um, I hope the market comes down and close below the doji. Okay, so if we have a close below the doji, it means the market is going to continue to trade to the downside. But if it closes above the previous rejected candles, then that means the market is going to continue, just going to continue to buy, right? Right, so a few seconds more to the end of this current candle, and as you can see, the candle is still below the previous rejected candles. Okay, so this is a good candle formation, right? So we are not closing our trade anytime soon because it didn't violate, the rules of the market, right? So if at the end of this candle the market doesn't give a good move, then we have two options and we have to go with one. So we either set a support, set a stop loss and a take profit for the trade, or we close the trade, right? But let's wait till the end of the candle. All right. So right now the market is printing bullish candle, bearish candle rather. So if at the end of this current candle the market goes down, then we won't have the need, to close our trade manually, right? Right. So that's a nice move, right? So the market is still moving bearish and we are making profits. Okay, guys. So that was a lovely move. It was a very nice move. Okay, let me see if we can set a stop loss and a take profit on this trade. Okay, so I'm gonna copy out the take profit and the stop loss for this trade. Right, so use the take profit on the stop loss before we round up this session. All right. Okay, so I believe everyone has entered the take profit and the stop loss. So, guys, that will be all for today. Enjoy the rest of your day. Make sure to secure your profits when you start making good profit. All right, guys. See you on our next live trading session. Bye for now.